Hello friends, welcome to biology class. Today in this video you will learn cell structure and organization. In this topic you will see what is cell, microscope, shape and size of cell, kinds of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Before start our topic, let's recall what is the difference between non-living and living things. Yes, living things can move, breathe, reproduce, they can give response and they can grow. But non-living things, they can't do anything from this. What about them? In the following picture, all things are living and they are made from a cell. So let's start with our first point. What is cell? Cell is basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. It is smallest unit of life. It is also called building blocks of life. The cell is first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Next point is microscope. It is a device which is used to observe a cells clearly. Larger cells can be seen through a simple microscope, but to see smaller cells we need compound microscope. Here on top, this is oldest microscope used in 16th century. On left side, this is compound microscope. Nowadays, this type of microscope used in schools and colleges. And on right side, it is digital microscope. It is also used in big colleges, institutes and research laboratories. Our next point is shape and size of cell. Shape. There is no typical shape of cell. Usually the cells are round, elongated or spherical. There is some cells which are long and pointed on both ends. Such cells exhibit spindle shapes. In some cases, cells are very long. Size. Cell size varies greatly in various plants and animals. Some of them are visible to naked eye while some are microscopic. Size of bacterial cells 3 to 5 μm. Size of ostrich egg is 15 cm. Next point, kinds of cell. First prokaryotic and second eukaryotic cells. First we will see prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell does not have well-defined nucleus and other membrane-bound cell organelles. Parts of prokaryotic cell. Nucleoid. Prokaryotic cell contain double-strand DNA located in nucleoid. Cell wall. Most prokaryotes have a cell wall outside the plasma membrane. Cell wall functions as a protective layer and is responsible for organism's shape. Flagella. Some species have flagella used for locomotion. Eukaryotic cells. Cells in which nucleus has a definite nuclear membrane are known as eukaryotic cell. These cells contain membrane-bound cell organelles. Example, plant cell and animal cell. Eukaryotic cells have different shapes, size and physiology, but cells are typically composed of plasma membrane, cytoplasm and its organelles, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, Golgi complex and main part nucleus. So this is the diagram of cell. In last question for solving, these questions can ask in your written exam, so try to solve it. Best of luck.